Laramie, going to O'Reilly's Auto Parts to pick up some extra oil to carry with me, some fuses, because we figured out what was going on with the TBI after a day of messing with it. It was so stupidly simple that you can't imagine why we didn't think of it before, but the relay for it is powered off of the horn and radio and not labeled any other way. So we were looking at another pickup truck with TBI also, and that TBI system relay for the fuel was not on the radio circuit. So I really don't understand. I think it's just kind of random. At least now I know which fuse to look for if the injectors don't work. Kind of strange, but that's the way it is. Everything seems kind of strange sometimes. But look on the bright side, it's 31 degrees here. It's not snowing, it's not raining, so all around I think it's a win. Need to dump the tanks here too. Maybe pick up some fuel. I understand the local Maverick has a dump station, so after we pick up the fuses and oil, I'll be giving them a call. And then also propane, but I don't think that big truck with the propane is going to sell me propane. Oh well. Came across a really good mechanical company here, auto repair, that they weren't afraid to look at this 1993 Chevy P30 or 30P, depending on how you think about it. They were more than happy to work on it. They did a great job. M&M LLC Auto Repair. Really great company. Chad, the owner, is an excellent mechanic, and his lead mechanic, Marshall, really good, really careful. Really worth having them go ahead and keep them in the phone book for next time I come through here. But college town would not have a Taco Bell. Gotta like this nice blue western sky. University of Wyoming Sports Stadium to my right. That looks like student housing. nice collection of older homes in this section. And university buildings. And student housing.
Turn right onto South 4th Street.
I wonder if Wyoming is right on red. We're going to find out.
Continue on South 4th Street for half a mile.
A lot of brick buildings in stone. Years ago, I met a stonemason from this area, did really nice work. But that church to my left is really nice stonework. Definitely high desert. Things don't rust away out here.